I'm 13 News Now meteorologist Evan Stewart. A lot to talk about in weather as we have this developing coastal system that could be called Irma later tonight or early Tuesday. As you can see on the satellite and radar, we've had the clouds sort of thickening up and we've seen some moisture moving in from the south. But the center of circulation is still down here off the coast of South Carolina and Georgia. Hurricane Hunter aircraft have found winds over tropical storm strength, but there's no real organized center of circulation. Either way, whether this gets named or not, we're looking at a windy and rainy day on Tuesday. So let's time things out with Futurecast. Through the evening, partly to mostly cloudy skies. We'll look for a shower or two in a few spots, but later tonight we'll see that rain developing, and through the day tomorrow we're looking at a windy and rainy day. Winds at times gusting over 40 to 50 miles per hour. You can see rain throughout the day. 9 a.m. looking at some pockets of heavier rain. By noontime, temperatures in the mid-70s. Winds coming in out of the northeast 20 to 30 miles per hour with higher gusts. And that will continue through the afternoon and into the evening hours on Tuesday. Things will finally start to wind down Tuesday night as the winds will diminish and the rain will move out. So the big takeaways, we're looking at the rain developing tonight, increasing winds, overnight lows around 70 degrees. Those winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour and gusting up to 55 miles per hour tomorrow. Rain, heavy at times, windy. We could see some tidal flooding as well. High tide coming up just around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We are looking at some moderate tidal flooding. So areas that are close to the water that typically flood when we get a prolonged northeast wind, we'll be looking at that through the day tomorrow as well. So the bottom line, the storm impacts for Tuesday. Flooding from rain, we could see a few heavier downpours, not looking at a lot of that coastal flooding. We'll put that in the orange category because we will see one high tide cycle. That's the Tuesday afternoon that could see some of those higher tides. And we'll ramp up some of those wind forecasts because of those gusty winds. And of course, with any kind of developing coastal system, we are looking at some rough surf and that higher threat of rip currents. Things do start to clear out for Wednesday. We'll see falling temperatures as winds pick up out of the north. So we'll see a high around 80, but afternoon temperatures in the 70s. And then we'll shoot right back up to 85 on Thursday, 75 Friday, 80 on Saturday. A few isolated thunderstorms as we head into Sunday and Labor Day Monday right now. Partly sunny skies with just a chance of an isolated shower or storm.